Are you making a mistake that could push your career back? In the world of web development, a great war is raging between Next.js and PHP. On one side is old trust, on the other is a new era. Today, we're going to break it all down. The question isn't which one is better, the question is which one is right for you. Let's start with architecture. PHP is a server-side scripting language that has been around for decades. This means that every time you refresh a page, the server sends a new response. But Next.js is a bit different. It's built on React and uses hydration. This makes your website feel like an application in the browser, loading fast without constant reloads. Now let's talk about performance. PHP speed depends on the power of your server. If your server is old or the code isn't optimized, the site can slow down. During heavy traffic, PHP servers can get overloaded, which can frustrate users. But Next.js has the magic of static site generation and image optimization. This means pages are pre-built and delivered to the user instantly. When it comes to SEO, Next.js has set new standards. Its SSR is excellent. Google crawlers find it very easy to index Next.js sites, which helps with ranking. That said, PHP isn't far behind. WordPress, which runs on PHP, is considered the king of SEO. But Next.js's modern approach is a bit faster and more lightweight in today's world. Security is a very sensitive topic. Is your data safe? With PHP, news of security loopholes often surfaces if the code isn't right. Attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting are fairly common in PHP. Next.js comes with security by design. React components help reduce vulnerabilities. Its API layer and server-side logic handle data better, making it more secure. Now let's talk about e-commerce. Online shopping is a craze everywhere. But which tech? If you want to open a store quickly, PHP and WooCommerce are a legendary option. It has thousands of plugins that make your job easy without much coding. But Next.js is designed for headless commerce. It's the modern approach. Big brands like Nike and Hulu use it because it offers a custom experience. As your business grows, you'll need scalability. Next.js wins here. It's cloud native and can scale on platforms like Vercel without any hassle. Scaling PHP can be a bit heavy. You need a deep understanding of server management. Where's the money? Which one is better for your career? There's an interesting twist here. PHP developers are in demand everywhere because old sites need maintenance. But Next.js developers often get higher salaries in modern tech startups. What should you learn? If you're a beginner, PHP will teach you the basics of programming. Its syntax is quite natural and you can see results on your screen immediately. For Next.js, you first need to learn JavaScript and React, which can be a bit difficult. What's the future plan? With Next.js 15 and PHP 8.4, both are evolving. Next.js is focusing on AI integration and server actions to speed up development. PHP is also working on performance upgrades to compete with modern frameworks. Maintenance cost is also a big factor. Maintaining PHP sites is cheaper. You get cheap hosting plans and developers are also easily available. Complexity is a bit higher in Next.js, so you need a skilled team to maintain it. Let's take a real life example. If you want to build a news portal, what would you choose? PHP is the winner here because its CMS support is very powerful and proven. But if you're building an interactive dashboard or a SaaS product, Next.js is better. Community is the lifeblood of any language. PHP's community is old and vast, but Next.js's community is very active and vibrant, with new features coming every week. Hosting costs? PHP will run on $5 hosting without any major problems. This is a huge benefit for small businesses that want to save costs. Vercel is best for Next.js, but the cost can increase significantly as you scale. So after hearing everything, what's the final verdict? Who is the winner? The winner is the one that meets your project requirements without breaking the budget. If you're working alone and want a simple site, choose PHP. If you're with a team and performance is the priority, choose Next.js. What do you think? Is PHP dying or is Next.js just hype? Write your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single comment. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives like this. See you in the next video. Until then, happy coding!